Welcome to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in today's episode, we're going to be going over Notion and this blood pressure tracker template that I created. And it's all coming up next. So here we are inside of Notion, and up here on the screen you see I have my blood pressure tracker here on the screen, and I just kind of want to give you all a brief overview of how I created this and what's involved in it in case you are looking for some way of tracking your blood pressure. And like I do, I track my blood pressure, and it kind of gives you some kind of insight of how well you're doing, and just keeps it in a database. So as you see here, I have the blood pressure tracker here, and I have a default view, and I also have a calendar view, so you can look at it in a bird's eye view, so to speak, right? All right, so now if you look here at the default view, if you create a new blood pressure, so let's say you're tracking it for today, you just add in whatever you feel like adding in as far as the day. Like say for instance on this day right here on the 13th, I just woke up, because that was the time of the day I woke up, and that's when I took my blood pressure. Well, maybe you take it later on in the evening, so maybe you write, hey, this is around 6 o'clock. You just write that in the notes, right? Just like that, right? And then all you do is you just go over here and plug in your stats, right? So let's say you're 120 over 81, right? Right here it's going to pre-calculate what that means, okay? And here in the mood, you can put down how you were feeling when you took your blood pressure, okay? So maybe you're feeling stressed, right? And then the activity, you put in, exactly when it was. Maybe it was the evening. I don't have an evening one in here, but I can put one in, and you can add one in there just as well, right? Then pulse. My blood pressure tracker, it keeps my pulse. So I'll just put that in there just to track it, okay? And so that's pretty much all you do. And then what you do here is you can always go here to calendar view and look over here and see, what happened on each of these days and where you were at and this and that. Typically, I keep it on the default view. Also in this blood pressure tracker, you have the source data base right here. I typically use the linked databases on my page. And this is a blood pressure tracker page, and I usually use that, the linked view here of that database. And then I usually put the blood pressure tracker source database basically in another area away from everything else with all my other databases, so that I don't accidentally delete my database, okay? But that is the blood pressure tracker. Also, just so you know, you can always go into each one of these and look at all of this stuff. And each thing has created a formulaic stuff, but a lot of this stuff here I don't actually have in the actual view. It's just for other type of calculations and other type of views. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this short little episode. If you would like this blood pressure tracker, I do have a link down there in the description on how to get that blood pressure tracker. And just wanted to show you real quick, like here's the formula for figuring out the whole whether or not it's hypertension or whether or not it's normal or what have you. And all of that calculation went into figuring out and taking all of this into account, what you put in there. Okay. So if you have any questions concerning this blood pressure tracker, please feel free to leave me a comment down there in the comment section. And if you like this video and want to see more of these type of videos, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Take care. Bye.